For many people in Sarnia-Lambton, downsizing becomes an important decision later in life. Whether it's moving into a smaller, more manageable home or considering a retirement community, the goal is often the same: finding a space that better fits your lifestyle, health needs, and future plans. I'm Mac, and at Blue Coast Realty, we've worked with many seniors and their families as they navigate this process. And in 2025, there are more living options available than ever before. Here are some of the main ones to consider if you're thinking about downsizing. Number one, smaller homes. One of the most popular options is moving into a smaller home, such as a bungalow, a townhome, or low-maintenance condo. These types of properties are easier to maintain, more energy efficient, and often feature layouts that are better suited to aging in place. Number two, condo living. Condos are another great choice for seniors who want to maintain independence without the upkeep of a larger home. Many buildings offer added benefits like security, fitness facilities, and social spaces. It's a good option for those who value convenience and community. Number three, retirement communities. Retirement residences can range from independent living to full assisted care. These communities typically offer meals, housekeeping, and access to medical support, making them a smart choice for those looking for a little extra peace of mind while staying active and social. Number four, multi-generational living. Some families are choosing to live together across generations. Seniors may move in with their children or grandchildren to share responsibilities, reduce expenses, and enjoy more time together. This can be a rewarding setup, but it does require thoughtful planning to ensure it works for everybody involved. Number five, key considerations before you downsize. Before making a move, there are a few important factors to think through. Finances. Look at both the costs and potential savings involved. Health. Consider your current and future care needs. Lifestyle. Think about the kind of daily life you want: quiet, independent, socially active. Your location. Stay close to the services, amenities, and people that matter most to you. Finding the right fit. Downsizing isn't just about moving into a smaller space, it's about finding the right environment for the next chapter. Whether it's a low-maintenance home, a condo, or a retirement community, Sarnia has a wide range of senior living options to choose from. At Blue Coast Realty, we're here to help guide you through the process. If you're considering downsizing in the Sarnia-Lambton area, we'd be happy to walk you through your options and help you find the right fit and needs for your lifestyle.